All right, we're gonna learn how to create our own circle loom from using a paper or styrofoam plate. So you all are gonna start out with your own blank styrofoam plate. You're going to have also in your container a bucket that has Loom with this fancy looking tracer, and some scissors and some Sharpies. All right, so you're gonna take first, taking turns, because there's 2 looms per table, taking turns using the loom and line it up so that you have the loom on the back part of your plate, as it's like you're eating it, yum, 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 but on the back, turn it over, and we're actually gonna make marks where these little indents are with our Sharpie. So I'm gonna set this down right here, zoom in real good so that we can see what's going on. I'm gonna take my Sharpie and I'm going to make a mark where these notches are. So 1, 2, and twisting it, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, holding it real tight so that it doesn't move. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and there should be 19 in total. And double check that it didn't move and you didn't accidentally get 18. Kind of feeling like I missed one by the way this looks. Doesn't look like I'm missing one. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I knew it looked a little too spaced out. I must have missed it. All right. There is our 19 little knit notches, little marks. We're going to take your scissors next. And unlike the loom has these little cutout pieces. I don't want to do that. I just want to use my scissors and cut in and let go on my loom. So just like this. A nice little mark. Nothing too big, not past this little textured mark here, just right up there. I'm gonna do that all the way across and around, just like this. All right, I'm gonna speed it up. I've already created one over here. Don't forget though to write your name in class code. I'm gonna stop right now and remember to do that. 5, 4, and then Christine. All right, on the back. On the back, you want to write your name. All right, I'm going to speed up the process. I've made my notch marks, and then I'm going to use the scissors. All right, so here's one that I made earlier that I've already pre-cut. All right, so here, each one is cut all the way around. My name is on the back, and I am ready to select my yarn color. So I'm going to go over to the counter and select my pre-cut yarn. I really like this color, so I'm going to take it, go back to my seat, put it down in, not the middle, but I want to put it in the side. I'm going to just choose one part of this and put it near the edge here. And I'm going to tape it down so it's nice and sturdy. Then I'm going to take that piece of yarn and just feed it through toward the front. Okay, now I have my plate. Well, with this plate, I want the string to be north and south. Nice and tight, north and south, and I'm going to find a place where I'm going to put it in on the bottom. It's an odd amount of notches, right? 19 being an odd number, it's an odd amount of notches. So I want to find a point that has more notches on this side. So it helps if I count about 8 notches, 8 empty ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to put my string actually in the 9th one. So like you can see here again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I've put my yarn nice and secure in the 8th one. All right, so here's a little story to help you remember how to do this. It's a little silly, but so you're going to take your yarn and your yarn is going to visit your neighbor. All right, you go into the neighbor's house and whoa, you are running far, far away. So you're gonna run up and then over to make the world's smallest X. And then I'm gonna go through here. This is where it's important that you turn it back where your long piece of string is down here at the bottom. Doing the same thing. I'm gonna visit my neighbor, say, hey neighbor, and then you're running far, far away to make the world's smallest X. I don't wanna go over here. That's a really big X. Not here either, but right here. And then turn it around. We're gonna continue this all the way across. Visiting your neighbor, go in, run away. World's smallest X here. And then twist it down. My long piece of string is down here. Right. I'm going to visit my neighbor. Hey neighbor, oh, bye neighbor. Where'd he go? Hey neighbor. Bye neighbor. All the way across. Here? Here? No, not here.
You have fourth grade
Here.
teacher to call the front office. A fourth grade teacher to call the front office. Thank you.
Going down. Hey neighbor. World's smallest X. Uh-oh.